Every grain of flour begins its journey rooted in the soil. Timing and precision define the harvest. Fresh wheat moves immediately to preserve quality. Quality is checked before the field is even cleared. From field to facility, speed matters. Volumes are consolidated at collection points.
Moisture levels decide the next step.
Short-term storage stabilizes the harvest. Capacity planning starts immediately.
Transport links the farm to industry.
Every ton is measured and logged. Traceability starts at origin. The journey to transformation begins. Distance shrinks as agriculture meets industry.
The mill waits, built for scale and speed.
Every delivery is logged before entry.
Weight confirms the promise of volume.
Data drives the entire process.
Movement resumes without delay. Design keeps flow continuous.
Positioning ensures clean transfer.
Integrity is verified at every step. Gravity does the hard work. The internal journey begins.
Nothing is left behind.
Input is now fully accounted for.
Before milling, wheat must be purified.
Every impurity is separated early in the process.
Even hidden hazards are caught with precision.
Manual checks complement machines for safety.
Airflow cleans wheat down to the finest particles. Sorting begins, preparing wheat for quality assurance. Technology ensures only the best grains advance.
Human eyes complement automated precision.
Every ton is measured for process consistency.
Clean wheat rests briefly before milling.
Continuous monitoring keeps quality in check. Prepared wheat now begins its transformation. From raw harvest to clean, sorted grain, every step flows seamlessly.
The transformation from grain to flour begins here.
Rollers break the kernel while preserving quality. Sieving ensures only the finest particles advance. Byproducts are collected efficiently for other uses. Refinement improves texture and quality.
Purity is paramount at every stage. At every stage.
Air pressure moves product efficiently through the plant.
This stage perfects the texture of every batch. Manual inspection complements automated precision. Prepared flour gathers for final processing. Environment is monitored to maintain consistency.
Seamless flow brings flour closer to packaging.
From kernel to fine flour, the main processing stage completes its transformation. Uniformity is achieved through meticulous blending. Blending guarantees each batch meets exact specifications.
Essential nutrients are integrated seamlessly.
Each batch is verified before moving forward. Sifting ensures smooth, consistent flour.
Controlled movement preserves quality and prevents contamination.
Real-time monitoring safeguards every batch.
Accuracy is key before final packaging. Automation enhances efficiency without compromising quality.
Every bag meets weight and specification standards.
Traceability is ensured with precise labeling.
Secondary processing perfects texture, enriches, and prepare flour for delivery.
Automation orchestrates movement with precision and speed. Precision robotics eliminate manual strain and increase efficiency.
Sensors ensure each bag is exactly where it belongs.
Safety and stability are maintained for transport. Self-driving machines handle heavy loads efficiently. Every movement is digitally recorded for full traceability.
Organized storage ensures seamless inventory management.
Environmental control preserves flour quality.
Automation provides instant insight into stock levels.
Coordination keeps the system smooth and efficient.
Routine maintenance ensures uninterrupted production flow.
High-tech automation transforms raw production into precise, ready-to-ship goods.
The journey nears completion as flour prepares for final packaging.
Precision handling guarantees consistency for every bag. Sealing preserves freshness and ensures traceability.
The final product takes shape, ready for delivery.